Here we come to a pair of elevators at the NRG Convention Center in Houston, Texas. These are exactly similar to the first one that I filmed. All elevators here at NRG Convention Center are similar. Anyways, this is going to be an updated take. M. This thing is loud. G. All right, we're gonna send this up and we'll get the other elevator car. This one is loud. This one's got a very loud motor. All right, let's call the other car. Oh, here it is. Let's wait for the other elevator car to stop and then we'll take this thing on a ride. And there goes the other elevator car going down. Go down to G. I think I might take this for one more ride just to hear the motor without any interruption. And notice the other elevator car, the floor is sticky as well. That indicator is burnt out. These are innovation security fixtures. Kone. And this thing squeaks a lot. Guy rails do need some oil up. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.